Yeah, good morning everybody. Wee solo ride this morning. Had a new tyre fitted a few days back. Just going to scrub it in. Running on the Michelin Pilot 5. First thing I noticed about this tyre is the road surface feels much more smooth. Probably because I've got a few extra millimetres of rubber between me and the ground than previous tyre, which was run down to the legal limit. So I need to do a few miles to scrub that in this morning. Always trying to find somewhere different to go on a wee bike ride, and I've had a look at Google Maps this morning. Found a place called Greenan Castle, which is down in Ayrshire. So we're heading just alongside the A77 just now. Taking the quiet roads off the motorway. Hoping the sun will come out at some point today. I've got the drone with me, albeit quite a low battery on it, so if we get a wee chance to get the drone in there and have a wee fly by the castle. Going by the pictures on Google Maps, it looks quite nice, just right alongside the beach. Anyhow, without further ado, we'll see you up there.
From his wife, the man downstairs got trouble in his life. The man up the spiral staircase don't know just what is wrong. Every time he sees his neighbor singing that same old song. Dig 'em up, Mom, can't you see that I had enough? Lord knows he's stifling me. Away with your pound of love. Well, Lord knows it's stifling me. Well, it's like an allergy. No apology. My energy into my integrity. Big love gets away with your pound of love. Well, Lord knows it's stifling me. Well, Lord knows it, trying to kill me. Downstairs has moved away for good, like the man upstairs always knew it would. The man up the spiral staircase don't learn to bend in here. So the man downstairs in the same old thing. Dig 'em up, can't you see that I had enough? Lord knows it's stifling me.
Okay, as you can see, we've arrived at Greenan Castle. Stupid me was expecting it to be quiet, but no, mega busy. Anyhow, that's it in the background. Lots of cars in the car park, which would suggest lots of people. A bit windy as well. Don't know if we'll get the drone up. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see.
It's the name of the game, just the way of the world. It's the name of the game, the way of the world. A sweet thing stand beside me. Come on, stand beside me. Come on, sweet thing. Protect me from this wicked world, this lonely world, the world that we were born to share. Stand by me, darling, stand by me. Stand by me, protect me from this wicked world. I'll stand by you. I will stand by you. I will stand by you. Some of us live just like princes, and there's some of us living like kings. Most of us live just like you and me. We don't know yet what it means to take our place in one world. Pick our peace, perfect peace, perfect peace. To have a say in one world, to make our way in one world. There's one world if you like it or not. One world, believe it. One world if you like it or not. There's one world, believe it. There's one world, one world, one world. I got a one world. I got just one world. Believe it. One world. I got a one world. Please try to believe it's one world.
Well, 78 miles and 2 castles later, let's have a look at that tyre. Yep, took a wee skim off it. Oof, chicken strips. Let's just say there's plenty of rubber left. Roll on.